Well, we were about to go hedge trimming, weren't we? But then these guys turned up. Do I build them now, or do I go and get on the tractor? What do you reckon, Biscuit? Hey, tractor, or build them? Tractor. Making rude gestures at me. Okay, right then. So we're actually going to get a little bit of hedge trimming done. A couple of hours, I reckon. I'm reaching back here for the seatbelt. Then go on. A couple of hours, I reckon, of hedge tidying. Then I'm going to put those bird scarers together this afternoon. Maybe I can get Holly to give me a hand, because it is a bit of a fiddly job, those little nuts and bolts, and get them over. Reg has run me this morning. The field where he put his scarer, empty, no pigeons in it, but they moved to another one further over, and you reckon there's about 200 in there, so 200 pigeons do a lot of damage in not a lot of time. So I'm going to do my roadside bits first, get them done out the way, and if anything should go wrong or whatever else, my kind of responsibilities are done. Doing this job on the roadside, there are so many things that delay us. Walkers, horses, push bikes, people, anything. But if you can avoid a hedge trimmer, it helps everybody. A couple more runs on this. I can hear the cattle calling me. This bit of hedge here on the side of the road, I'll keep this down fairly low. A lot of my hedges I keep a bit higher, but this one lower, but it's mainly to help traffic up and down the hill here. It's a bit of a blind bend up here, so yeah, I keep it down a bit. Try to prevent accidents. Doesn't stop folks driving like idiots, so on the purge here. We've got a lot of drainage gunners going off the road. Sometimes I forget where they are. And usually in the vicinity of those drain gunners you'll find holes in the hedge. Where I've been looking at the hedge, not so much at the front wheel. If I don't feel the front wheel go in the hole, which I should, but if I don't, and the back one dips, I make a hole in the hedge. Constant movement on my left hand, trying to keep it tidy, and basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to compensate for what the back wheel's doing and what the hedges don't tend to run in dead straight lines, and this one's definitely curved, so everything's changing and I can move that a lot faster than I can the steering. Any further forward. I'll show you why. It's because that's a bog out there and I don't want to get stuck in it, so I tend to do this bit of the hedge from the field side, which is a bit higher anyway, but it's drier, less mess, less chance of getting stuck, because with the legs on this thing, if I sink the tractor in the bog, yeah, it's like a plough. Getting there. I like to do the base of the hedge, the grass, the base of the hedge, because one, it cuts up everything that's being cut off the hedge, and two, it allows light into the bottom of the hedge. Light helps hedges grow. This is just me being a bit finicky now. I mean, what I've cut, the job's done, it's kind of as much as it needs to be, but it's on the roadside. I can see it from the house. I kind of want it neat, so if it needs a couple of extra passes, well then so be it. One down, one to go.
An animal inside a cage, but I'm gonna break out the chains.
Did you enjoy watching me do that?
I did do a couple on the other one. Maybe not a couple, maybe a few. 3, yeah. That helped.
Right, okay. I was just admiring when I put this on here. The weld on there is actually worse than mine. I actually think they got the YTS boy to weld that ring on there because it's shocking. I mean, it'll work. It will work, but anyway, that's 2 bird scarers built. I got to tighten up the bolts on the feet because of that, and I'll put the pins in, but I'm going to take the Glos back off to transport them. Right, next job, over to the farm, put them in. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're here. Come on then. There you go. Right then. We want one of them and one of them. Finish. Put this thing together, I suppose. You've got to come off there. Red side down. There. In my pocket I should have a split pin. Where's my old? There it is. Badger? Right. Let's go and put it to work. If you're wondering why we're going to this expense and time and effort, it's because of this. This is damage to our plants. Some of that could be from slugs and the likes, but the pigeons are definitely stripping all the last bits of green off of it. That's what it's supposed to look like. They're supposed to look like that. That's good. That's bad. Okay. Let's hope that does the business. I can just see ridges all spinning over there. That silver actually flashes up quite bright. I'm going to put another one now up in the barn over there. I doubt you can see it very well, but all I can say is pigeons' eyesight is a darn sight better than yours and mine, so as long as they can see it, as long as it makes them bugger off, it'll do. If everybody walks their dog up right here and don't pick it up, dirty buggers. Yeah. Good. Put this one in this top corner, I think, because this is a fairly flat field up here, and I'm hoping if I actually put it up a bit, I might do a bit of scaring from over there too. Might. There's a likely area. This way a bit, I think. Out. There. Daft dog doing. Right. Apparently, Reg had to come and put his up twice yesterday because it kept blowing over. So the crack is get it properly in the ground. I don't know what she's caught whiff of, but whatever it is over there. Right, let's hope that helps. At 40 quid a piece plus the VAT. They're not extortionately expensive. I'd like to think that they're going to save at least that much in preserved crop. Because where the pigeons are going, we won't have a lot left. Right, 3:30. I've got two choices to go somewhere and have a cup of coffee.